Hi, what's good, YouTube? I know it's been a minute. Got a product review today. It's going to be HPI Performance. I picked up one of their drive-by-wire harnesses. It's brand new. Detailed step-by-step instruction manual, how to hook up everything. It's a good harness for so far. Fuse box, accessory wires, and I did pay for this. This was not sent to me for free or anything, so this is not paid sponsorship or anything like that. It was given to me for free. I did purchase it, but I am gonna give an honest review on it once I install it and let you know how it performs. As you can see, the clusterfuck that's under my hood. I did rework my harness. Had a lot of issues with it. Having a lot of issues with it. A lot of gremlins in there. So I have to pull it out. But yep. I'll hit you back and let you know how the progress goes. Alright.